Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be planning in my meal planner for the week of 22nd of January till 28th of January. This is a classic size happy planner and it is called Cooking 101. I'm going to be using some washi as well as Planet Darby stickers. I'm so excited about this because these are so lovely. So I'm going to be creating a bit of an ice ring. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know. And of course, we're going to be able to plan the meals together. So, as always, if this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. And if you do, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have been here before and you're coming back to hang out with me, thank you so much. I am so glad you're here. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply this beautiful and lovely washi, which is almost snow color. It is so light and just so beautiful. I wanted to use it. And yes, my nails are kind of sticking out with the spread, but I wasn't going to redo my nails just to film. I'm sorry. So if it bugs you, maybe don't watch this video, but if you're okay with it, let's get going. So Planet Darby also has these beautiful snow slopes, and that's exactly what I'm going to use because even though it's ice skating, I don't care. Like, this is Imagination Nation, right? Like, the whole planner world is all about imagining and doing whatever floats your boat. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm floating my own boat and I'm going to add all of these beautiful stickers. So this one is going to be skating right here. And yes, she's skating down. Oh well. And then this one is going to be right on this side. I'm just going to use my tweezers because they're so delicate. I do not want to rip them, okay? Perfecto. Okay. So yes, this is happening. I'm going to go ahead and add these cutoff boots right there, or ice skis. I'm losing my mind, you guys. Okay, anyway, as you can hear, my voice is still a little nasally after my ordeal with the whooping cough. That was not fun, you guys. Holy moly. So I do not recommend getting that one. So stay healthy, my friends, if you can. Do anything you can to boost your metabolism, immune system, metabolism too, if you want to, I guess. Like I said, I'm losing my mind. I don't know what I'm talking about today, you guys. Plus, it's super early. It's like 5 a.m. when I'm doing this because why not? I'm an early bird. So yeah, let's add all of these snowflakes to it. I love them. So many snowflakes. So these are printable from Darby. They come as a printable. You can also get tangible stickers, but with these you can then create your own sizes. So I printed a large sheet and a small sheet, so I'll show you what that looks like in a second because I'm going to be pulling stickers from there as well to add a few more snowflakes. So bear with me. Yeah. Let's add these little guys. They're so cute. So yes, I printed a large one and a smaller one, and that's so I can add the snowflakes mostly. And then I'll use the rest of the stickers at some point, maybe in my bullet journal or something like that. But yes, I wanted a full-blown snowflake affair here. I think this is so beautiful. So I really enjoyed creating this. Not only that, but you guys, I have used a whole sheet of stickers minus those leg warmers. So I'm pretty proud of this. Okay, I'm gonna add 2 more lines of washi tape here, and I think that's gonna look pretty great. And then we can go ahead and meal plan, which is actually my favorite part. I love decorating this planner, but even more so, I love planning, because then I just get to do all of my meal prep and be done for at least 4 days, you know? Come home, not worry about dinner. Do you guys know how much less stressful that is? So that's exactly what I'm doing. Sorry, I'm just trying to see if another washi would work, but I think I'm good. I think I'm okay with this one. So I'll add that strip right here too. I know it's a little bit different, so let me know what you guys think. I've been trying to incorporate a bit more washi and maybe even some quotes into my spreads, because I have been so basic, I know. And basic has worked, but now I want to do a bit more. So that's what I'm doing. Anyway, I'm gonna add that so it looks finished. Perfect. And yeah, let's see. So I'm just gonna put my washes back. I have so many, you guys. I love the scalloped one too. This is so thin. It's I think it's 0.3. Yes, it's tiny. So I'm gonna put it on the top of the page and create a border only on the top though, so it's not too much, because there's a lot of teal going on here, and I really don't want to take away from the stickers. Okay, if you guys do shop Planet Darby stickers, use my code. It's in the description below, but it is Kasha15, so you get 15% off. I am so thankful to her that she gives you guys discounts on my behalf, so super cool. I'm gonna pop this back in my planner and let's get planning. I'm so excited. Okay, I wanna just stick this Planet Darby somewhere, and then we're gonna do that. Okay, here. Okay, let's pop this back in. Actually, maybe just right like this, because usually the discs are preventing me from writing. So rice cakes are my go-to for breakfast lately, and some fruit. It's so good. I will have leftovers on for lunch. Pork tacos, so those smashed tacos, but instead of beef I use pork. And I'm gonna pull up my ideas of food and meals in my planner, so then I can go for it. So we have protein shake for Tuesday. We're gonna have leftovers for lunch again. Leftover tacos. These are so good, you guys. So basically you take a tortilla, you fry one side just a little bit in oil, and then you make a little meatball and you smash it down on the tortilla. So good. Fish with green beans over rice. I love that too. I usually make it in like a lemon honey glaze. It's so good. Protein shake on Wednesday for breakfast, because yes, I need to eat more protein, you guys. We're gonna have a salad for lunch. And I'm looking at ideas to see what I should make on Wednesday for dinner. I think I'm gonna make stir fry. I love stir fry with chicken especially. Okay, Thursday. Surprise, surprise. Protein shake. Right? I know. What a big surprise. Okay, so we're gonna have some leftover stir fry for lunch, because yum. Then for dinner, Ugh, the dinners are so hard because then I eat this for lunch the next day. Anybody else feels that way? Like, I love cooking and I love all of it, but then, yeah, it's kind of hard to plan all of this out, what you're gonna have a taste for a week from now. Okay, chicken pot pie. On Friday, I'll just have 2 hard-boiled eggs because that's usually pretty easy. And they're protein rich. So this Friday I'm working, but typically on Fridays I don't work, so it's not gonna be, I don't know what I'm gonna do for lunch, but goulash for dinner, and then seafood pasta for dinner on Saturday. I have decided because they'll be good, like eggs and bacon. Yeah, let's do that because Alec loves it. Okay. So Friday, I'm gonna just grab some snacks probably for lunch. Saturday, we do more of a brunch than lunch, so no need to do that. Chicken gnocchi soup, I'll do that one for Sunday. It's gonna be delicious. And then for Sunday brunch, I don't know what I want. Oh my gosh. Pancakes? Let's just do pancakes and call it easy. And maybe I'll substitute some of the pancake batter with protein powder, and they'll be better. But this is all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know, and I'll see you soon.